Okay, let's begin with a quick review of navigation from last year. There are circles around the Earth that help us to pinpoint positions. Lines of longitude stretch from the North Pole to the South Pole, with 0 degrees through Greenwich. So here is a line of longitude. And they count upwards that way from Greenwich and backwards that way. Lines of latitude stretch around the Earth parallel with the equator. So here's the equator here. Each of the lines of latitude stretch parallel to it. And they increase, so 0 is at the equator, going up from the equator, and going up, going down from the equator there. So, an example of a location is 27 degrees south, 153 degrees east. Okay, so this point here is 153 degrees east of Greenwich and 27 degrees south of the equator. Okay, the south one or the north one comes first, east and west comes second. This location is Brisbane. There's an issue though. Each degree is very big. It's about 111 kilometres. So really Brisbane isn't at this location, it's around about this location. So we have to come up with a solution to pinpoint with a better accuracy. How we do that is with something called minutes. Each degree gets divided up into 60 minutes. Okay? An example of using this system gives us a position for Brisbane of 27 degrees, 28 minutes south. You'll see that minutes is represented by this apostrophe. And 153 degrees, 1 minute east. That's a much more accurate location for Brisbane. Now we're going to be looking at this chart a lot. Okay? So let's have a look at what's on it. We've got Deception Bay. We've got Scarborough. Okay? And we've got some locations around, like a water tower. We've got a water tower here. We've got the hospital chimney at Redcliffe. Okay? And it also tells you what the degrees and minutes are at those locations. So up the top here we have 153 degrees and 5 minutes. Okay? And on the side here we have 27 degrees 10 minutes south. Okay, that's east. Now, each of these alternating black and white spots is 1 minute. Okay, so this distance is 1 minute. Now, so that makes here 153 degrees and 4 minutes. That makes here 3 minutes. Makes here 2 minutes. And here 1 minute. Okay, and then here is 153 degrees and 0 minutes. And over here, down the side, well, it's getting bigger as we go downwards. So we've got 11 minutes, 12 minutes, and here would be 127 degrees and 13 minutes. Okay, until we get down to 15 minutes down here. So, question is, What is the location of the Deception Bay water tower? Well, let's find where that is. Okay, here it is. At Deception Bay water tower there. Let's find its location. So first off, we need to go north and south. So side measurement first. Okay, we've got 27 degrees 10 minutes south. Okay, here is 27 degrees 11 minutes south. But it's just a little bit further than 11 minutes south. So what are each of the really small amounts? Well, there's 5 of them per minute. So that means each one has to be equal to 0.2 of a minute. Okay, because 5 lots of 0.2 is a whole degree. So here we go. The Deception Bay water tower downwards is 127 degrees 11, and then just a little bit extra, 0.2 minutes south. And now we want to go acrossways. So we know 153 and 5 is here, 153 degrees, and 4 is here, 3 is here, 2 is here, 1 is too far. So it's between 1 and 2. Okay? Let's have a look. It is there. Okay? Let's find out what that is. That's 153 and 1 minute, 0.2, 0.4 in the middle, 0.5. 153 degrees, 1 minute, point, and how many did we say? 2, 4, and in the middle, 5 minutes, and that's east. Done.